Hey, how's it going? Precision Air and Plumbing. My name is Owen, and I'm calling with Bright Marketing. I'm reaching out to you guys with this video because I was doing some research over in your area, and I found your website here. And it's a killer looking website. You guys are doing great over there. I did a quick search for Arizona AC repair, and you guys came up first right here, Precision Air and Plumbing. And you guys are also down, I think you guys are right here. Yep, bam, right there, precisionailandplumbing.com. So you guys are doing a great job in terms of ranking. In this map pack section and down here in the organic section. I did notice here on your homepage a couple minor things. Google likes to see about 2,000 words on the homepage. I did a quick word count for you guys, and you guys are at 619 words. That's really the only thing that I really noticed here on the homepage in terms of a small thing that you guys can improve on. But I just wanted to make this a really short video and kind of introduce myself to you guys. If you guys ever need any digital marketing in the future, it seems like you guys have it under control because you guys are doing really, really well. I did a quick search for you guys in Ahrefs as well, and you guys are murdering the game right now. So you guys have everything covered. If everything happens in the future and you guys need a digital marketing agency to step in and take over for you guys, I just wanted to throw my name in the pool and get this video over to you guys just real quick. But again, thanks again for taking the time to watch this if you guys happen to. And my number and contact and stuff will be in my email. So thanks again, guys. Have a great day.